you'll have to do one of these problems, but this is always x comma y. So in place of y, you are going to have what y equals, which in this case is -1. In place of m, you're going to have what m equals, which is 1/2. In place of x, you're going to have what x equals, which is -2. Bring down your -1. What is 1/2 times -2? -1. To get b alone, I'm going to add 1 to both sides. What is -1 plus 1? It's actually 0. So, again, I messed this up because I took it from your notes, but you are going to have y equals 1/2 x, and you could either have that plus 0 or plus nothing. Well, both would be plus nothing, but just nothing there. Okay? For the second one, again, I have x and y. In place of y, I'm going to put what y equals in this case. In place of m, I'm going to put what m equals in this case. In place of x, I'm going to put what x equals in this case. In place of y, I'm going to keep that. What is +3 times +3? 9. I want my b alone. So the inverse is going to be -9 on both sides. -2 minus 9 is -11. So this is going to be y equals 3x minus 11. Y equals 3x minus 11. Okay? Oh, sorry, that's your answer. For this one down here, label my point. In place of y, I'm going to put what y equals. In place of m, I'm going to put what m is. In place of x, I'm going to put what x is. So bring down my y. What's -1/3 times 3? -1. I want b to be alone, so I'm going to add 1 to both sides. That gives me 3. That cancels out. So I'm going to have y equals, in place of m, I will have -1/3 x, and in place of b, I will have 3. I'm going to write what x and y are. In place of y, I'm going to have what y is. In place of m, I'm going to have what m is. In place of x, I'm going to have what x is. I'm going to bring down my -1. What's -4 times -2? +8. The inverse of +8 is -8. What is -1 minus 8? -9. So we will have y equals, in place of n, -4x. In place of b, -9. If you had a plus -9, that's perfectly fine as well.